morning, folks. Mike Reyes here, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to fix a leak that we have in a 2013 Jeep Sahara. Right here, it's a beauty. It belongs to my cousin, and I'm going to show you how to fix this leak with replacing the weather stripping. So stay tuned. Welcome back, folks. This is the part we're actually going to replace. It's a header gasket. It's a weather header gasket for the Jeep for a 2013. A lot of them do come with this problem. It leaks into at least 4 inches or 5 inches of water. We got to keep releasing the little plug so the water can go out. But today we're going to fix that, and we're going to jump right into it. So stand by. We're going to start off by removing these 2 rivets right here. It's not much to it. The majority of it is held on by glue and some special adhesive. So there's 1 rivet here and 1 rivet on the other side. And watch us do our magic. This whole entire weather stripping right here goes all the way across. There we go. That easy. 1 rivet down. We're going to go over to the other side and do the other one. It's that simple. We also have to remove this bracket here. It's real simple. You just take the bolts out, remove the brackets, and there you go. Now I'm ready to remove it. It's got some glue in there. That's the adhesive. And we're probably going to wind up cleaning it once we remove it. Don't worry about it, folks. If it breaks, it's no big deal. You're gonna get a new one on there anyway. See how easy that is? There you go. Now all we have to do is clean all this stuff off of here. And we're going to put down the new adhesive. And that's basically it. Okay, we finally cleaned it all up. It took a little bit of elbow grease. But that tar or whatever, it's a paste. It came up with a little bit of starter fluid and your fingernail. It came right off. Like if it was nothing. First we started with the razor blade, and that gave us a little trouble. But then after a while, we just tried the starter fluid and the fingernail. It came right off. So we're ready to put it on and get this thing ready to go. Okay, guys, we put a little bit of that that adhesive tar, and we're gonna bring it down, and we're gonna put it on right on the rivet. There you go. It'll seal really nice. There you go. Just remember, folks, just be a little bit patient. This is a weather stripping. It'll go in. There you go. Nice. There you go. The other side. Okay, it's ready to go. There you go. All right, there we go. Voila. Ribbits in. There's a red tape inside of it. Start peeling it and pushing it in. Look how simple it is, people. There you go. And the reason we're doing this, because he had a major leak inside the Jeep. And I know a lot of people have this problem. We know several owners of the Jeep, and they say the same thing. So right now, we're doing sort of like a process of elimination. We did the bottom one, the bottom seal on around the door, and that didn't work. It still continued. So we went to the dealer, and the actual guy, the mechanic who does this, he said this is where the majority comes from, right there. So we went and ordered the whole weather stripping, and we're putting it in. So it's that simple, that easy. Okay, people, so whoever has this problem, this is what you got to do. It's not hard. It's done. Okay, everyone. It's in. It's done. Now it's time to put it back together. Put all the pieces. It's not a hard job to do. The hardest part was to clean the edge. But we got it with our fingernail and some carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner, whatever we can use. It came right off. Whatever doesn't harm the paint. So keep that in mind. Do not use any goof off, because it will take the paint off. Any other kind of chemicals. Solvents we'll also remove it, but we just didn't have any. So that is it. Okay, everybody? Well, people, it comes to an end. We did it. Like I said, a lot of people do have this problem with this leak. You can start from there. We did it. This Jeep belongs to my cousin. It's a beautiful Jeep. It's a 2013 Sahara. I think I'm going to steal it this weekend. It's a Thanksgiving weekend. I'm going to steal it from him and take this sucker for a cruise. I also forgot to mention that it is going to rain tomorrow. It's going to be a perfect trial for this leak. And I will let you know on my other video if it did leak or not. So, by that being said, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and the like. And like I always say, Mike Reyes is out.